So, what's up, guys? How you doing? Hope you're doing fine. So, let's start with new episode. Hope everything fine. Then, volume of music, my voice, video. If not, please send me a comment so I'll know about it. Um, right now, I want you to introduce the changes which I made for those 2 days. As you remember, in the first episode, we talked about some problems which I'm gonna solve. And yeah, let's dive in. I will show you what I've done. Uh, we'll explain a little bit how I've done it, how I changed it. Once again, guys, I'm not a professional coder. I'm just a kind of guy that wipe coding who does wipe coding. So I do it with assistance of ChatGPT 5 version, and right now I'm building my IT project, my IT environment for my project. And in each episode, I'm gonna show you the growth of it. So I'll show you how even I, with no experience of coding, can produce something that gonna be useful, not just for me, just for people who are interested in that. And so that's basically the main aim of those streams to invite people who has some doubts in themselves that they don't have any skills or maybe they don't have any knowledge to do coding, to do, I don't know, business, to do marketing, to do social media, whatever they want, and they just stop in themselves. So the main aim of those videos is to show you how even regular guy like me who doesn't have any knowledge or real experience in coding can produce something that actually works, that actually help me to introduce my project, to help people to get knowledge from that project. So I hope that will be a little bit expand, and if I will inspire someone, so I will be already 100% grateful for that, and that's my real aim. So let's dive in. What did we found last time? We found that inside my learning program here on Breakless Code, there was a problem with pictures inside articles. So when we open any article, pictures didn't show up, but right now, as you can see, everything working. Yeah, you can see all pictures here. So what was the problem and how I solved it? Um, I've got one cloud server where I put both of my projects. So one of them is Breakless Code here, and another one is Robert Aristov. Yeah, it's basically my name. So when I create second project, I changed the names of directories for each of them to not mixing the processes between those different projects. And when I changed the name, as you understand, uh, it changed the path uh, where images are located. So, but I didn't change path inside my Django, inside my code. And system just went to wrong direction to find those pictures. And yesterday, again, with assistance of ChatGPT, I connected to the server. We find out everything. We find out that there are real images on our server, on my server, but we find out that it's different locations. And once I just change the path inside my code, I update everything. boom, it works. Okay, that was really easy. What else have I done? It's a pretty simple changing. I put this. How can I show you? How can I show you? I put this little icon. I can't remember how it's called. It's yeah, it's uh favicon. It's small icons for websites. Right here, you see, Robert Aristov right now has that icon to show the logo, the same as Brekless Code. Yeah, for example, Notion or ChatGPT, they have the same. So I've done it to to look those project more, I don't know, more fancy, more finished. Uh, so it was really easy. Again, this is conversation with ChatGPT. We make all needed images. We put all needed code in front of whole page. You can see, yeah, this is HTML, index HTML, and we put here all directions for those images. So every time any system go to robertaristov.com, they download those little images to show it on their screens. So yeah, that was really a basic thing and pretty much easy. But what what actually took me almost 2 days, it was that first task which I talked about first on the first episode. I just mentioned to you that okay, I need to uh, I need to know the source from which any lead come to my site to my product. And when my system create any new lead, I want to understand from which platform this lead came. Uh, for example, right here, yeah, you see different clients, and you see acquisition source. It's right now others. It wasn't pretty much so difficult to produce just link and put everything inside. For example, this is kind of links which I'm gonna use. I already add those links to my Instagram, to my YouTube. So anytime, for example, if you want to, I don't know, check it, you can go through the link in the description to that video, and I don't know, subscribe for blog, and you will it will be in my system with this little mug that you came from YouTube. I already done it for Instagram and for YouTube. And today actually I'm gonna show you how to edit to all those emails templates which I already have in my system, all those email sequences. Because any email has links to my project, and I want to know if the client came uh, through these emails to my project. So probably it makes sense. And so okay, th this is the links. You can see them, the example of those links. And why it took me so long to actually uh, make it? Uh, because in fact, I have two different uh, projects, two, two different brains, and two different let's say I have one server but two different projects. Yeah, uh, one is Robert R stuff and another that is Breakless code. And the problem is that I have a lot of links to Breakless code or to Robert R stuff. And here inside, for example, landing page for Robert R stuff, we have products here which linked us to Breakless code. And the problem was, for example, if someone on YouTube get the link with note that he's coming from YouTube, he's came to my main page on Robert Arstuff, and after that, he's going to Breakless code like this. After that transaction, uh, it was really difficult to manage everything uh, to make known my old project where was the first touch of the client, because every time they have transaction between those sites, this information lost. And yeah, it's took me probably almost 2 days to find out all bugs, to produce the code, to do all the stuff. For example, these files right here, acquisition py, this is all about that. All this code is about those links. Uh, Blah, 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 blah. What I have here? Uh, where is my another file actually? Okay, whatever. Okay, whatever. This file is about events, book, not book. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, I get it. I get it. I get it. Okay. So I've made it, and today I just need to a little upgrades of the system. So first of all, as I said, I want to add all these links, especially this one, which is telling my system that this lead is came from emails. I want to add update all links inside email sequences to those links. Uh, Besides that, I've got a new video for my course, this one. So I need to update this. I already uploaded into YouTube, where I can show it to you. I can oh, sorry. I can show it to you here. Content, and we have this video. So we will put it here, update this link, and I hope I will have some questions in here, so we will be able to chat a little bit, and probably that is it. So this is our plan. So let's dive in. Yeah. The first one, what I'm gonna do, it's pretty simple. Let's update this video. What we need to go to our project about Breakless code. This is code and structure for that project. Let's close. So we have video on our index page. So we'll open it here, index page. I'll close everything which is not connected to what we are gonna do right now. It all was yesterday's. What we have, little messy here. What we have here, this is the section who we are is telling about our project. So we are looking through that code. I'm just searching those words to make it faster. Yeah, you can see this is code which is describes uh, this section, this section, these three links, and this video. So I need to find this YouTube link. Pum 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 pum. Here we go. This is YouTube frame, and this one is our YouTube link. As you can see, it is a little bigger as regular. Why? Because it already has some additional settings which uploaded into that link. So, for example, autoplay. It means when someone came here, video already autoplayed. Mute, loop, and control settings. So whatever you have on this website. So I prefer to make it mute. I prefer to make it already autoplayed because it's like making like movements inside site, and it looks like a little bit dynamic. So what we need now, we need to get this link to that new video which we are going to upload. Stop it. And this is ID of that video inside YouTube. So it tells us watch video and equal this code. Okay, let's go here. I hope I'm not really sure about it, but I hope that this one is here. So we just basically replace it, and we have another section with that. Is this one? Boom. Okay. Uh, and this is pretty much it for that case. What we need now, we need to save it. I didn't explain you how I actually upload all changes which I've made here on local machine to my server, because everything you see here, everything you see here, this is my local code on my laptop. But to upload all code to my server, I'm using in I'm use how to call it, I forget it. GitHub. This is my bum, bum, bum. This is my GitHub page. You see projects here, and all these two projects are private because they are about this site, this project, and I do like two actions. First action is I push all changes to GitHub, and then I came to my server and pull all changes from GitHub. So this is how I make any changes on my server. I will show you right now. It's first time. It's can look I don't know how to call it, scare because you are gonna deal with this terminal to make commands, because a server is actually on the Linux, and you can con connect to it only by Linux. But this is not so difficult as it can look like. Let me just connect to it without you to showing you all information which I'm not want to really show you. Uh, um, okay, whatever. The passwords are not shown, so it's not gonna be uh, any problems. So right now I'm on the server. I'm already connected. I do a little commands. I go to this special project, this Breakless code project. I'm just inside this folder, and I'm give him command to. Oh, sorry, I didn't I didn't push it. So right here I choose the file which was changed. I make a little like note. Uh, change video on index. Let's be so. Yeah. Okay. And push. Mm-hmm. Yep. Get it. Once again, I want to pull it from my GitHub. Oh, it's already done. Great. Uh, okay, we can close it for now. So what we what we actually did right now is we pull all changes about this link which we just made, and we can go to our website and update it. Uh-huh, not yet. So maybe, just maybe, this is the problem of cache, and we need to just clean history. Uh-huh. And open it again, and open it again. Nope. Oh, okay. Let me do so. I can actually I don't know why I didn't done it. I can actually start the project on my local machine. Uh, what I need to activate. Oh, it's not. It's not activated. So I need to activate virtual environment. I'm going to tell Python to go to manage.py and run server. Yep, what we have here the local host, which gonna show us our project on the local host. Yeah, you see, it's a little bit. Why is it so? Why it is so? Mhm. Um, Let us help our assistant. Um, I'll tell him hi. Uh, I just telling him that on my index page I have this code to showing YouTube video. Can you please check? Pavel, is it correct for that special video? Where is it? Huh? For that video. Or maybe I just made like mistakes in this huge link, probably. I don't know. Da, 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 da. Uh, he's given me new code with changes. So let's, where is it? Where's Punch? Let's change it here. Bum. Uh-huh. Pum, 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 pum. Uh-huh. Let's save it. Uh, Close and run again. And yeah, this is it. Yeah, it is our new video. Okay, so all changes are pretty much good. Okay, so we are gonna repeat our actions again. We're going to push uh, we're going to push these changes to our server, and on our server here we are going to pull it. So boom. Ah, my gosh. Sorry. All the time I have those problems. Just going too fast, too fast. Yep. Yeah, we have it. And what I forget is to reset all system processes to update all information on our website. Okay, so this is our like working uh, website update. Boom. Yeah, we have it. We have it here. Okay. Um, there is no music here? Oh, okay. As I do understand, I have real problems with but I'm not going to uh probably like this. Is that okay for music not so loud? Please let me know. Okay. Uh I will definitely need to like use to all settings with those live streams. Okay, I'll do someday, guys. Yep. Okay, so what we've done, we put our new video on our website. As you can see, it's not so actually hard, especially with little experience. You can do it really fast, and it's not gonna be a real problem. But you actually can do it. This is not some, I don't know, some metaphysics or stuff like this. Uh, you just need to practice and you're gonna be okay. Okay, we upload new video. This one is new one. Okay, great. Let's go and do some updates with links inside our emails templates. As you can see, we have different templates here, but I'll explain you a little bit how does it work. Uh, uh, let's open, for example, this email. What we have here in this template, this is first welcoming email for email course. We have subject here, we have text, and we have links are here, 1 and 2. So we need to update those links to understand that this client came from emails. I know that almost everyone who are going to get this email, he's already in our system. He's already in our list because uh, he wouldn't get any automatic uh, letters if he is not in our list. But there is a little possibility that someone is going to resend emails, for example, I don't know, any of next emails with useful information for, I don't know, for example, I don't know, sleep. I've got little info in here, I've got researches in here, I've got useful information, and maybe, just maybe, anyone will want to share that information with his friend. And he's not in our system. And he's going to go through that link and subscribe to our program. And our system will not understand from which source he came. And the second question inside this is that the client which already in our system, and for example, it marks as lead from YouTube. And for example, he subscribed to our, I don't know, this course, and he is going to, I'm sorry. Ah, hi everyone. Hi Mariana. Hi. I'm sorry with the name. I see the Obama. Okay, Mr. President, nice to meet you. See you here. No disrespect. This is just I'm really afraid to make mistakes with just pronouncing your name. No, I'm not gonna do it. Okay. Um, nice to hear you. Nice to have you here. So what I did told you is that if client already has a mark from resource from which he came and going to go through that link here, system not gonna change the source from which he is come. I have already that rule that if status already set for any client, system not gonna change it. To understand the first touch to our project, to understand from which system he actually came. Okay, so what we need to change links inside each letters which has links, and besides that, inside our project, just let me show you here. Besides that, in our project, we have templates of emails. What did I show you right here is just subject and body of the letter. But this is not the letter we usually receive. Letter has the structure. For example, right here, I have 4 different types of letters, and inside my code, I have rule which email sequence is going to use which email template. And this give me like flexibility to make any different types of letters for any for different sequences. So for basically for each client, based on his interests, system will send him special letters, special form of letters. For example, I will show you here. What did we have here? We have email templates and email course. Okay, let's go here. And we have template for email course here. This is actually a HTML file. And what it says if client has a first name inside our database, the letter will start with hi and the name of client, and first letter will be a big one. If there is no name inside our database, for example, client didn't put that information, it will be just hi there. And then it's gonna be the body of this letter, which I just showed you here. Yeah, this one. And then it's gonna be this disclaimer section, a little one. It's gonna be a section with two products, two links to our different products, because every email sequence is a actually one product, but on our website we have at least 3 or 4 different products which we can offer more, and I don't want to duplicate those offers to clients. For example, the client signed to our free course. I don't want to have in his emails again offer to subscribe to email sequence. You know the logic, you see it, yeah? So I need to give him different offers because he already signed the email. And this is code for our different products. And here we have links too. Yeah, you see links here and links here. I'll show you example. I'll show you example of any of that letter. Let me just find it real quick. Yeah, this is it. I'm sorry. Do you see it? You see it? Yeah, you see it. This is the letter which was sent from my system to me like 2 days ago. We have sender. You can see this mgbreakless.com, that mailgun, my email helper, email sender. I've got here the section with email. I've got subject. I've got hi Robert, as I showed you. This is body. This is body of the letter. Here still we have body, and here we have link, which we're gonna change. This is still body. This is still body. And this is disclaimer, yeah, I was wrong. And here I have 2 different products, Check the Blog and Breakless Code one-on-one course. And any of these have links, so we need to change them too. I'll show you on the example of one email and one sequence, because I'm not really sure that it's going to be really interesting if I will change every email template. But let's dive in. It's gonna be like pretty much simple walk. What we have in here, we have in here breaklesscode.com link. What we need to add is that our system will understand that this is from our email. So I add this additional prefix right here. You can see it. UTM source email, UTM medium is newsletter. Yeah, pretty much it. So, and I have to change the same way here. I need to change the same way here. So, okay, we change. This is links to Instagram, to YouTube. I'm not gonna change anything here. This one is unsubscribe. I'm not going to change anything here. So for that template, we're done. We just save it, and we need to change it inside our letter. I'll go with first one, email course. What we have in here, we have 4 links, YouTube channel and Instagram. I'm not gonna change, but I need to change this one, and it's really much easy because I just add this little prefix, not little, but anyway, to any link which I need inside my system. So as you can see, breaklesscode.com, book a call, and I add this prefix to understand that this lead came from email update. And the same is here. And the same is here. Boom. This is it. This is it. I can send it to my test email. Yeah, this one. Send to test. As you can see, this is all was built by me. All these email templates, everything. Right now, it's pretty much easy to walk inside it because I already done some infrastructure. And again, I'm not a coder. I'm just a regular guy who show up regularly and try just to do my best. And I have a vision inside my head what I want on a finish. So, and I'm just step by step going to that vision. And those streams is actually all about it. Those little steps, it will actually give me like a little boost to show up regularly, not to avoid it. Not to avoid it, because I already like make commitment to you that I'm gonna do it, and it will help me too. So I just sent that test letter. As you can see, this is first letter saying hi, blah blah blah, and this link is actually going to my program. Oh, there was one more trick which actually took me quite a time to understand how to make it. I'll show you right now. I will just produce a testing client. For example, this link. If you want to book a strategic call with me, just blah blah blah. Let's go. I'm not gonna show it to you. Why is that? Why is that? This one is what? It just have a problem with this link which I'm just add. I need to find out what is the problem right now. Email source. I tested yesterday, but if I go like this, it's totally fine. What's wrong with email? Maybe I just make a mistake inside my email. Can you show me the link? No. copy the link. Can you just show me to me? Ah, yeah, I see the problem. This is it. I saw a lot of times this like joke. If you think that coding is like something like, I don't know, neo coding with all the stuff. No, it's not. 90% of coding is actually debugging. You code something and you try to make it work and it doesn't, and you like going crazy to finding out what's the problem about it, why it doesn't work and stuff like this. But this one was pretty much easy, I hope. I really hope. So yeah, we have this test again. Yeah, we have that test. We need to open that link again. Oh yeah, boom, it's working. Wow, 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 wow. What we have in here? We have our special link, which is telling our system from which source I'm coming. And this is opening a new tool called Calendly, which is helping me to book a calls with me, video calls. And the problem was that this is my website, yeah, and this is actually breaklesscode.com, and system can understand all these links which I produce. But this one, this Calendly, is not actually my system, and it really doesn't care about source from which client came. And it was like quite a task to understand how to make it work and to save this first touch from the client. Let's find out, is it working right now? Yesterday I tested and it was quite normal. I will do like real test here and just randomly book for a call. Yeah, you're scheduled. Great news. Okay, blah blah blah. This is next logic. Okay, close this one. And I'm really interested how my system saved that client. Let's go to the client. Yeah, boom. Fantastic result. We have that tested client, which is came from emails link to my schedule page for the call, and he scheduled the call. System didn't find his email for sure, and it is created new uh, client with new appointment and add to him acquisition source. You can see it here, email. Yeah, great. What else it made? It made appointment from that client to me. Boom, we already have it. And besides that, I'll show you that Calendly really helps me to do is really help me to manage my calendar. I'm sorry, this is all on Russian, but you can see it here. Oh, not like this. This little mark is actually our test which we just made. It's already put it inside my calendar, so I can visualize and manage everything I had inside here. So for now we are deleting it. Bam, done. And what else we have here? It's actually client events, which is showing us that this client just canceled the call. Actually, I did it, but The reason is what this appointment was cancelled, and the system is showing that. I already add that log too, so it is working. Yeah, yeah, fantastic, fantastic. As I can see for today is not too much of people in here. Anyway, I need to delete this client, this test client. Yeah. And all appointments about it and client events was deleted too. Great, the system is working, it's alive. I love it. No, really. Actually, I'm really excited when I see it working because again, I'm not a coder. This is like my just real hobby, nothing more. And it's so exciting when you are actually build something, you upload it, and it really working, and you can manage it, and you can do whatever you want. Only your fantasy is actually a limit. So this is my main point for all of you guys. If you are really thinking about it, if you think about something but you are still doubting about do first step about your resources, about your knowledge, about your experience, never doubt on yourself. No, really. You see, I never I will show you my GitHub page. I already did it, but I didn't show you the history to prove you that I'm not a coder at all. Uh, as I told you, GitHub is like my main source uh, where which I used to coding. So everything I code here in the local machine, I upload to GitHub, and you can see history here. First time I tried to code, it was COVID. You see 2020, and it was like just a little bit, and then I forget about it. The 21st, I didn't code at all. 22nd at all. I didn't put anything about coding. Something was in 23. 24 it was in the end. I finally started to do breakless code. So I started to produce in front end for it because as I told you, my friend helped me to produce backend, all the logic with articles, and he worked from September to November. It was disaster. He delayed every every milestone which we actually confirmed. He delayed and delayed it so badly. So it actually was me kick ass to start it doing by myself because I understood that if I want to produce the project which I have in my head, this guy, I'm gonna produce it maybe 10 years and I am start coding by myself. You see, it was in December I started and it was pretty simple. It was about front end. And his 25th year, you see, I started a little bit step by step, and finally in July, in August, I finally start doing some results. It finally start working a little bit, and it give me so much boost, so much expiration, and yeah, you actually mindset is growing after your action. So never doubt it in yourself and just go. If you have any dream, just make a little step day by day to make it real. That's simple as that. Um, Probably this is it what I wanted to say you today. As I can see, there is no questions in here. So Anyway, guys, thank you so much who was here. I hope this one was useful for you. And see you Monday. Yeah, today's Friday. Yeah. See you Monday. Guys, bye. Have a great weekend. Bye.